Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a brand new AI tool that's getting a lot of attention in the marketing world, VSL Studio. If you've ever wanted to create high-converting video sales letters, explainer videos, or add creatives without hiring expensive copywriters, voiceover artists, or video editors, then you're definitely in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what VSL Studio is, how it works, the features that make it stand out, the bonuses you get, and the special launch pricing you can grab right now. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the newest tools and software reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you powerful resources that can grow your business and your online income. And if you want to check out VSL Studio for yourself, the link is waiting for you in the description below. Let's jump right in. VSL Studio is an advanced AI-powered video creation platform designed specifically for marketers, entrepreneurs, affiliates, coaches, and businesses who need high-quality video sales letters without spending hours learning complex editing tools. Unlike traditional video software, VSL Studio focuses on conversion-optimized video creation, meaning every feature inside it is built to help you sell more, engage viewers longer, and communicate your message clearly and persuasively. What makes VSL Studio unique is that it combines copywriting, voiceover generation, video editing, animation, and design into one simple dashboard. Instead of juggling multiple tools or hiring multiple freelancers, you can produce a professional video from scratch in minutes. The platform uses proven marketing frameworks like IDA, PAS, Star Story Solution, and more, helping even beginners craft powerful, emotionally driven scripts that convert. Whether you're creating sales videos for your own products, affiliate offers, clients, webinars, presentations, or social media ads, VSL Studio gives you everything you need in one place. It's built to remove the stress and complexity of video production, letting you focus on the message while the AI takes care of structure, pacing, scenes, animations, transitions, and even the voiceover. In short, VSL Studio is like having your own scriptwriter, editor, animator, and voice artist working 24/7, without any of the usual cost or learning curve. VSL Studio comes packed with powerful features designed to make video creation fast, simple, and highly effective, even if you've never created a video before. One of the standout features is its AI-powered script generation, which uses proven persuasion frameworks like IDA, PAS, Star Story Solution, and more. This ensures every video you create follows a high-converting structure that grabs attention, builds desire, and motivates viewers to take action. You can upload your own script, paste in a URL, import a document, or simply type in a rough idea, and VSL Studio instantly transforms it into a polished, professional script ready for video production. Another major feature is its AI voiceover engine, which gives you access to a wide range of realistic, natural-sounding voices. You don't need to record any audio yourself. Just select the voice style, tone, and pacing you want, and the software automatically generates a clean, perfectly timed voiceover for your video. This eliminates the need for expensive voice artists or recording equipment, saving you both time and money. VSL Studio also includes multiple video styles and templates, allowing you to create videos in the exact style that matches your brand or your message. Whether you need whiteboard videos, animated explainers, cinematic stock footage, infographic-style content, or professional sales letters, the platform gives you a variety of templates to choose from. Each template is customizable, meaning you can adjust colors, text, scenes, transitions, and more while keeping the creation process fast and easy. One of the biggest benefits is the platform's fully automated scene creation and timing. After generating your script, VSL Studio automatically breaks it into scenes, matches visuals to your message, syncs the voiceover, and builds the video timeline for you. This eliminates the complicated manual editing process found in traditional software. Marketers will appreciate the built-in tools that help you optimize videos for conversions. Every part of the system, from the script frameworks to the pacing, transitions, and visual storytelling, is designed to increase viewer engagement and drive more sales, leads, and clicks. This makes VSL Studio especially valuable for product launches, ads, webinar promotions, sales pages, and affiliate marketing campaigns. Another benefit is how beginner-friendly the platform is. You don't need editing experience, design skills, or technical knowledge. The dashboard is clean, simple, and guided, so the AI walks you through each step. Yet, at the same time, it's powerful enough for experienced marketers, agencies, and freelancers who want to speed up their workflow without sacrificing quality. Finally, VSL Studio gives you commercial rights, allowing you to create videos for clients and charge for your work. This opens up an additional income stream, especially for agencies, freelancers, and creators looking to offer video production as a service. With the speed and automation VSL Studio provides, you can deliver high-value videos in minutes and keep more profit from every project. Overall, the combination of AI writing, AI voiceovers, automated editing, customizable templates, and conversion-focused design makes VSL Studio a complete solution for anyone who needs professional marketing videos, quickly and at a fraction of the usual cost. VSL Studio works through a simple, guided 3-step process that makes creating professional sales videos incredibly fast and beginner-friendly. You start with Step 1, selecting your video type, where you choose from 12 premium video styles such as dynamic stock footage, infographic motion graphics, whiteboard animation, comic storyboard style, and many more. Even the commercial version gives you multiple style categories to work with, while the bundle unlocks unlimited creative options. These styles allow you to match the exact tone, energy, and branding you want. Whether you're building a high-impact sales letter, an emotional story-driven video, or a fast-paced ad creative. Next comes Step 2, uploading your content, which is where VSL Studio truly shines. Instead of forcing you to manually write or structure your script, the system can build everything automatically from whatever you provide. You can paste in a business page or sales page link, type a prompt describing your offer, upload a PDF or DOC file, or even create scenes manually if you've upgraded to the pro level. The platform reads your material, extracts key benefits, understands your audience's emotional triggers, and prepares the foundation for a compelling video. It delivers the flexibility to work with existing assets or create brand new scripts from scratch, while keeping the process fast, intuitive, and effortless. Finally, in Step 3, selecting video settings, you simply choose your preferred voice type, video length, and output resolution. Then you click Create AI, and VSL Studio does all the heavy lifting. The engine analyzes your content and applies one of 4 proven persuasion frameworks: PAS, IDA, Star Story Solution, or SLAP, automatically building your script, generating a matching voiceover, selecting visuals, animating scenes, and adding background music and sound design. In minutes, you go from raw content to a studio-grade, conversion-optimized VSL that's ready to publish. No editing skills, no freelancers, and no guesswork. Just a fully polished video designed to influence, persuade, and sell, created in a fraction of the time traditional methods require. VSL Studio comes with a powerful set of exclusive launch bonuses designed to help users get results faster, earn more, and turn their new video creation tool into a real income generator. These bonuses are available only during the initial launch window, making them highly valuable additions that elevate the entire VSL Studio ecosystem. Instead of simply giving you software, VSL Studio also equips you with the knowledge, systems, and client acquisition tools needed to succeed, especially if you're looking to offer VSL creation as a service or build a new income stream. These bonuses disappear once the launch window closes, making this the best time to secure everything at a massive discount. The first set of bonuses focuses on income generation and client acquisition. You get the VSL Studio Moneymaker Playbook, which reveals 10 proven ways to make money with VSLs, complete with pricing, service ideas, and plug-and-play methods even beginners can apply. Then there's the Client Closing Script Pack, which includes 10 done-for-you templates, 5 email scripts, and 5 DM scripts that help you land paying clients quickly by simply copying and pasting. Both bonuses remove the fear of outreach and give you real-world tools to start getting results from day one. Whether you're brand new or already offering services, these resources set you up with the exact words and strategies needed to win clients consistently. The next bonuses focus on production speed and long-term success. The VSL Production Workflow SP gives you a step-by-step blueprint for researching, writing, building, and delivering high-converting VSLs with ease. This system eliminates guesswork and helps you work like a professional, even if you're just getting started. Then there's the Upwork Success Starter Pack, a full guide to building a winning Upwork profile, along with proposal templates, bio examples, and strategies to land your first jobs quickly and rank higher in searches. As a final perk, launch buyers also get first access to new animation styles and visual upgrades before anyone else, without any extra fees. Altogether, these bonuses form a complete success package, giving you both the creative tools and the business tools to turn VSL Studio into a profitable asset. VSL Studio offers two clear and simple pricing options, making it easy for users to pick the package that best fits their needs and budget. The first option is the Starter Edition, priced at just $47 one time. This plan is perfect for beginners, solo creators, and anyone who wants to start producing high-quality videos without recurring monthly fees. It includes 1,000 monthly credits, 720p HD video output, up to 70 seconds of video length, and access to 6 core video styles. With support for creation via a URL, prompt, or file upload, the Starter Edition gives new users everything they need to start generating polished AI videos quickly and affordably. For users who want the complete VSL Studio experience, the Pro Bundle is the premium choice, priced at $197 one time. This package unlocks all 12 video styles, extended video lengths up to 105 seconds, and advanced features such as voice cloning, multilingual video creation, priority rendering, pro animation styles, and the fully customizable scenes mode. The Pro Bundle is ideal for agencies, power users, freelancers, and anyone planning to produce videos at scale or offer VSL creation as a service. With maximum flexibility and premium creative options, it delivers the highest long-term value for serious creators. Both packages are protected by a 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee, giving you complete confidence to try VSL Studio without worry. You can explore the software, create videos, test the features, and truly see how it improves your workflow. If VSL Studio doesn't save you time, boost your output, or help you generate better results, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. The creators take on all the risk because they believe in the technology and want users to experience its impact firsthand. This makes choosing your ideal package simple, safe, and stress-free. And that wraps up our full breakdown of VSL Studio, an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to create high-converting video sales letters quickly, easily, and without the usual production headaches. If you've been searching for a way to streamline your workflow, boost your marketing results, or even start offering video creation as a paid service, VSL Studio is definitely worth checking out. Everything you need, from automated scripts to pro voiceovers and stunning animation styles, is built right into the platform, making it one of the most complete VSL solutions available today. If you want to try it out for yourself, the link is in the description below. That's where you'll get access to the best pricing and the exclusive bonuses available during the launch window. Don't miss it, because this is your chance to get the full package at the lowest possible cost, while these special bonuses are still available. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best tools, software reviews, and income-building resources every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.